Agent Workspace for HR case management provides an intuitive interface for agents interacting with employees, responding to inquiries, and resolving HR issues. Built on configurable uibuilder, the workspace enables multitasking with integrated communications and intelligent recommendations for faster case resolution. The workspace provides a single-pane view where all issue details appear in one place. Integrated communication channels help real-time employee interactions through chat or phone directly within the interface. Multiple tabs support multitasking across cases and interactions. Organizations can configure dashboards with varied reporting sources and tailor landing pages to different support levels. Dashboards provide graphical representations of overall HR case data. Service-level agreement statuses, prioritization metrics, and general announcements help agents understand workload and focus areas. The home icon provides a work overview at a glance. This helps agents decide whether to work on an HR case or address items affecting their team, supporting prioritization decisions. The list icon provides access to all HR cases with filtering and sorting by relevant criteria. Agents create personalized lists through My List, tailored to their specific needs, helping them focus on cases relevant to their work. The tabs display open HR case numbers. Hovering over case numbers reveals quick details including case description, HR service, and subject person. The tab information display is configurable. The Add icon instantly creates new HR cases or interactions for documenting employee communications. Inbox contains HR cases assigned to the agent as well as their chats and interactions, with availability status tied to advanced work assignment features. Page configurations help provide a customized experience for users through configurable settings. Agent Workspace for HR case management delivers customizable UI builder configuration, integrated communications, intelligent recommendations, and personalized agent experiences.